Hello, welcome back to the vlog. It is a stunning day here in good old New York City. We're getting it started with a merch shoot. We are launching new merch for Gals on the Go. I am wearing one of the items now. I think that they're launching next week when this video goes up. Actually, I'm not really sure when this video is going up. It's either coming in the next few days or a few days. It's coming, but we have a few items that we are going to shoot. We're gonna quickly get our hair done before and meet Madison in Soho. Madison Lane Photo is gonna take our photos, but the items are so cute, guys. We've been working on this for the longest time and like really trying to like perfect the items. We got like our perfect favorite cozy material for a sweatshirt, we have a t-shirt, we have a tote bag, and we have stickers, and that's gonna be for the first drop. So let's go get our hair done. Let's do the shoot. Also got my nails done this morning. I got this solid chocolate brown color, taking a break from the nail art, but also like I kind of am just into like these fall moments. We did like the red last time, now chocolate brown. Anyways, I'm so excited. Welcome. Join me for this vlog. Let's go. If you haven't watched the last vlog, there's been some updates in here, including this new, it's actually a dresser. It's from CB2 underneath the TV. I needed more storage and this really delivers. Look how big these drawers are. Nice and big, and they fit everything in them. So I showed that in the last vlog, but just in case you didn't watch, you should. And I ordered a bookcase, which is going to go in the other corner so my books can be moved. This is the other piece of merch, the tote bag. And then in here I have, this is just, I'm giving you guys the preview, honestly. The sticker pack, adorable. And then we have the t-shirt. So I have the T in a large. I'm wearing an XL in this sweatshirt right now. Nice and big and oversized. Danielle's gonna take the pictures, I think, for the sweatshirt in biker shorts. I'm wearing leggings, and then we're gonna wear denim for the other look. So nice, packed a lot of accessories and things. All right, guys, we're in the middle of the merch shoot. Madison is here, Danielle's here. We just changed from the sweatshirt to the t-shirt, the grand reveal. We're getting shots all around Soho, but we came to the office to quickly change. So I got my hair curly. We're just really sending it. And we've got the tote. I'll try to put some behind the scenes.
Brooke set me up a little mirror. Gals on the Go merch, link down below.
Wandering the streets now. Last and final location, probably. Well, we have to take the tote picture, and then we wanted one with a cab, too. Walk home, we picked up some kava. I say we because Danielle got some and I got some. Right now we are separately eating this kava and having a chill moment, and then she's gonna come over and record. And then I have like a random like meeting thing. It's actually for Amazon Explore, doing a brand deal with them, and I'm doing a Amazon Explore session tonight. They're actually super fun. It's really cool. So anyways, the kava order, if you didn't know, I went through a huge kava phase. Actually, when I went through like a good amount of weight loss, kava was one of my go-to meals. It's really easy to point out on Weight Watchers, which I think I'm gonna do again in January. Not that it's supposed to be like used temporarily, but I just am kind of thinking that getting back on track in the new year will be the vibe. Arugula, rice, tomato, cucumber, olives, pickled onion, 3 tzatziki, chicken, and then the toppings. I got a little feta today too. Just depends how I'm feeling. Really good. I asked for my hair to be done early today, dry bar, and it was really, really girly at first, but it's falling, and I know by tomorrow will look good. And I want it to look good tomorrow, so cheers. The vibes are right.
So cozy.
I know.
Drinking coffee. I was gonna say at like 9 o'clock, but it's only 6:45.
When you came over with it, I was like, oh, but it just gets dark really early, so. Dark, we've got a city view.
This episode's gonna be funny.
So funny. I have my ring light out because I'm gonna use it later. The ring light, and I've been on a ring light kick because it really does make you look so like.
Oh, it's so flattering.
Yeah, you have a moment. I literally took off some of my makeup in 2 spots and put on pimple patches because I also need to self-tan tonight. I have a night ahead of me, if I'm being honest. Tonight's like the self-care meets work night.
That's what I did last night. I like planned all my outfits, like cleaned.
It's like stressful, but it's like necessary, you know? We're gonna get started with recording this episode. It's gonna be all about our most unpopular opinions. I feel like this was a video trend on YouTube. Have we ever done this?
Never done this because I was like, whoa, okay, I gotta like pull this out of my brain.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
And we like had our listeners give their responses and they're funny.
I think it will be good on literally everything. Like my list is so random.
A lot of mine are food.
Yeah, there's some food ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, some relationship ones.
Oh, yours are gonna be so good. I can't wait.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do that Amazon Explore experience now. I am starting to kind of pack for LA, get some stuff together. I got sent a bunch of like actually lingerie from this brand. I'm honestly excited about it. It's from Gooseberry. Some spiciness in here. I'm starting to put some things aside. I just got this in the mail today that I ordered from Aritzia and it was like back ordered. It's like this leather dress situation. I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow in the city actually before I leave. I'm going out. This for LA. I have to start like really packing. This is also new. I got a dresser that's going to be coming later. I still need to figure out what to do with my sunglasses, but basically the dresser will be longer and bigger, so it'll just be able to fit more stuff, which I think will be really nice. It's not coming until December. But I needed something to store all my jewelry and I really wanted it not hung up on the wall because I don't really want to use the wall space for that. I just like didn't really feel like doing that in this apartment. So I decided to invest in this gorgeous jewelry box. This is actually from Kendra Scott. Didn't know that they had stuff like this. So someone suggested this on my Instagram and I went and checked them out and I was like, wow, these actually look like super sleek aesthetic. I found a coupon, which was really nice. But basically we have the top section and then we have, I still need to organize it and like really, but it goes really deep. We have drawers. So I really like this. I think it's just very like classic, like something that I'll be able to use for many years to come and just like so nice. So adult, like to have like a proper jewelry box, right? So I need to move all of these necklaces into this. This drawer situation is actually working out quite nicely. This is from Dormify. If you guys didn't know, I need to do an apartment like links update. I know I've been asked with the links. I'm trying to find the self tanner. Where did I put the self tanner? It's nice because I have it like section by section just kind of organized. Oh, here we go. I used the self tan last time and I actually really liked it. I'm gonna use that tonight again, the Bondi sand. Where is the mitt for it? Look at me, I'm so prepared. Put it in a bag. Sometimes I can surprise myself. This is like travel things. This is like everyday sort of makeup, whatever. Oh, I wanted to whiten my teeth. Yeah, that's gonna have to happen after the trip. It's really working out well. Cart situation, if you have room for a bathroom cart, I would say one like this fits a lot of stuff. I don't think it's too much of an eyesore at all. I think it actually looks pretty nice. Good morning, guys. I don't know why my voice just squeaked. Actually, I do know because I just woke up. Clearly self-tan last night. It'll get a little lighter, a little aggressive on the hands. I can never get the hands right. It's not bad though. I just got this new robe from Brooklyn in. I'm working with them again coming up, which is just a dream because I love them and use them for everything. And now I have this robe from them. I love how long it is, but it's actually like a towel material robe, which normally I go for like a blankety material robe, but this one's really comfy. I'm gonna start my morning off by organizing my kitchen a little bit. My dishwasher was like temporarily broken, but I think it's fixed. So I hand washed a bunch of items, gonna put them away, put away the dishwasher stuff, make a coffee. So I'm gonna speed up these clips of me just like organizing my kitchen. Hi guys. I'm sitting on the floor now. I put on a little bit of makeup just for this one clip. Also, my hair completely fell, so that's really fun. I actually recently invested in myself and decided to go ahead and get the new MacBook Pro. Sorry about the hands in advance. They'll fade, so it's okay. I decided to get the new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, which is supposed to be like a really fast processor. Also just for production stuff in general. Like I feel like I deal with a lot of like larger files, so I thought that this would make sense to do. This came out a few weeks ago, and I've also really been wanting a laptop to be 15 or 16 inches, and this one came out and it's 16 inches. So I've never had a computer this big, but I figured that we could unbox it together. I've had it just here sitting because I know it takes a second to like obviously set up your computer. So I haven't done it yet, but I can read to you guys the specs on this. God, I love a new computer. Like there's like, this is one of life's like most greatest pleasures, I think. I've been watching a lot of reviews on it and like debating if I should buy it. And I kind of planned on it. I haven't gotten a new computer since I was a junior in college, and doing YouTube and social media, you definitely like wear down computers. I feel like that's probably the longest I've ever had a computer, and it's still good. It's just getting a little bit slow. And the cool thing is now I get to just like wipe the memory on that one. I could give it to my dad because he always takes my leftover, I say leftover computers, but all he really does is like internet stuff. So it works out really well. Anyways, this is what she looks like. I got the 16 gigabyte unified memory, 1 terabyte of storage. So I got like a slight upgrade, I think, on the storage. And I got the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I just got the regular M1 chip, not like they had like an M1 Max. This was already like the most I've ever spent on a computer. So I couldn't do anymore. I thought this would be so satisfying to open it up together. I'm using my nail, which I should not be doing. What else can I use? I'm literally using an Apple Watch band. Oh, there's a thing to open it. Silly goose. I haven't opened, like I said, a new MacBook. I'm excited to have a computer that's like super fast again. You just do things and you don't have to worry about the loading speed. And apparently the Final Cut speeds on this, which is like the video editing software I use, are unreal. So I'm excited about that. Just call me tech reviewer. It is huge. This is a big ass computer, holy shit. And it's like pretty dense. It doesn't look that big, I guess, but it is. Like it takes up like the whole app space. Also in the box, we have charger, the like power plug-in. I'm just excited. I have like a lot of computer tasks to do today, and I was like, today's the day to set up the computer. It's like Christmas. We're peeling back. Actually, a lot of the video reviews I said this, but this feels like just the quality of the computer feels very reminiscent of like older MacBooks. Definitely giving me that nostalgic like MacBook vibe. It is big. Oh my God. It's huge. Like, I don't even know how else to show it. It's, I mean, 16 inches, so you figure it out. The screen is huge, which I really like. Wow, and oh my God, I really like this keyboard. It's doing all of the like setup stuff. Gonna do the Wi-Fi. This is the size difference in my computers, by the way. Like this is like little baby and this is like big daddy. And right now I'm transferring in between them, which is pretty easy. It's really nice. It's the way I'm about to eat 2 Trader Joe's hash browns for lunch for me. I've been working on setting up my computer, so I just took a break, made these, just posted a video of my Halloween weekend in my life, which I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I'm like literally ecstatic. In between all of this packing for LA, I have to film a sit down video. I actually have to do some email stuff right now. My new computer is currently like updating. I just did the software update on it, so I've been using my old computer in the meanwhile. Cheers, everybody. So the update may be expected, but I am obsessed with this computer. It is freaky fast. I actually really am so into the size of it. It's big. The keyboard is just like so nice to type on. I didn't love the keyboard on my old MacBook. I don't want to make this vlog too tech heavy, but basically I love it. It has an SD card slot on the side, which I really like. With the other MacBook, I had to use like an adapter basically, so you had to plug it in and like have the adapter thingies. The thing about this MacBook that I feel like a lot of people didn't love, I guess, or I don't know, I mean, the only con I guess that I could possibly think of, I know a lot of tech people actually like that it doesn't have, but it doesn't have a touch bar. So it's almost like going back, but at the same time, it's just so nice. I actually haven't looked at the camera yet because I've just been doing like emails and things, trying to get everything. I'm barely packed. I really need to do that. Curled my hair just a little bit because it fell a lot from yesterday. To take some sponsored content, film that video still. We're actually, oh my God, the camera is so good. I'm gonna insert this footage as an overlay so you can see how good this footage is. Like, it is so clear. I'm recording this as a test video to show you guys what the quality looks like. I'm literally vlogging right up here. This quality is insane. My mom does a lot of live streaming for her job, and I think like she needs this computer now just because of the quality. Like, what? I'm sending this to my mom to show her that she needs it. All right, I'm heading out. I'm going on a date, guys. And I just got this fit actually from Aritzia, so I wanted to show it to you. We're going to a comedy club, which Danielle has been like hitting up the comedy scene, and I haven't. I've really wanted to, so I'm very excited. Okay, this is from Aritzia, like I said, and I was gonna wear the knee-high boots, but I wore those last time. Not that it matters, but these are actually more comfortable to walk in if we're walking a little. My Louis Vuitton little boots. I'm gonna bring my black Chanel. It's actually kind of warm, like this, like it's like a black, like sort of like jacket, trench almost. It's like 50 degrees. I probably could use a jacket over top, but it's fine. We're going for the all black. Probably could have used some color, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I've made some packing progress, but honestly, I packed the most random shit for this trip. So it's gonna be a random time, but you guys will see the LA vlogs. Here, I'll show you. It's gonna be a morning. I've really not set myself up for success, so we'll see. Another fit check. I love you guys all so much. Subscribe if you guys are new here for more vlogs and things like this. I tried to recurl my hair. It's kind of falling. It's what it is. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you all in the next vlog very soon. Bye, guys.